Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making Panchamrit or Charanamrit, meaning 5 nectars. Pan is 5, Amrit is nectar. So we're going to be adding the 5 nectars to create this. So let's jump straight into this recipe. So we're going to be using whole milk, and you'd want your whole milk to be at room temperature. To that we're adding in sugar and honey. Feel free to sweeten this to your liking. This is not that sweet, so if you like it really sweet, feel free to add more honey or sugar. In goes dahi or plain yogurt, and give it a mix. And the last ingredient is the melted ghee. Now this is known as Panchamrit. A lot of us know that you have to put the tulsi in here, but actually that's not the way it's traditionally made. So after you offer this to Lord Ganesh, Mother Durga and Lord Shiva, chopped tulsi leaf is added, or torn tulsi leaf, since the first 3 gods don't accept tulsi. After this, it has 6 ingredients and is now called Charanamrit, nectar from the feet of the gods. So just keep that in mind when you're making it. Lord Ganesh, Mother Durga and Lord Shiva takes it without the tulsi. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you to the person who requested it. Make it, let me know what you think. It's a really delicious milk drink. Just make sure you keep your milk at room temperature because the ghee will start to firm up. And the way it's served is you put your right hand over your left, and they'll put about a tablespoon or less into the palm of your hands, and then you bend it forward and you drink it like that. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick and easy recipe, and with the tips of when to use the tulsi. Thank you to my friend Navin for sharing that with me, as I've always put tulsi in it and did not know. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.